Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to re-enable iCUE on startup for Windows 10 or 11. If you're like me, you've updated iCUE and for some reason it got deleted out of your startup task manager and shit like that. So that's not on Corsair, alright? But here's a fix to get you back up and running. No more going to your shitty fucking exe and reloading up on every startup. Alright, so you want to go into your registry editor, uh, local machine, software. Where are you? Where are you? Microsoft. And scroll all the way down to Windows. Bang. Then you want to go to current version. And then run. So here, I've already got it here, but you want to add a new string value. And you want to add Corsair iCUE software. I'll put in the description everything, so you can just copy and paste it straight in there. So once you have this new string value here, you want to double click on the bastard, and then you want to go to where, you want to paste your wherever you put it, like on your C drive, your D drive, whatever. So I'll obviously put, most people have it on their C drive, so you probably want to change that to D, and then get rid of the program files and just put Corsair there if you've got it on a different drive and stuff like that. So yeah, you want to put all this here, and then Launcher.exe, and at the very end, you make sure it says autorun, and you click OK, and then basically everything will get added here, and then yeah, you're all set. But if you already got this here, and you're like, oh fuck, I've already got it there, what do I do? Check if you got the quotation marks here. If you don't have, because some cases it would have deleted the quotations or some shit like that after you updated it. So just double click on it and then add the quotes on each end, and then yeah, restart your PC and then you're up and running. No more having to load up the exe. So yeah, that'll be it. So have a good one. See ya.